So first of all, corporation public broadcasting and public broadcasting system in the United States is very different than anywhere else in the world. We made a decision early on to have a whole series of independent stations that are independent businesses who manage and broadcast to their local audiences. And the Corporation Public Broadcasting was created to fund those. So it's a little bit of a different than a nationalized system. So I am not PBS and I am not NPR, but I help fund those organizations. And my role is to invest into digital media and infrastructure and strategy across this very convoluted 700-plus business enterprise. And this is where I want to talk a little bit about these unique capabilities of media organizations, different than product organizations. They had a technical capability to roll out new features and functions, but they also had a unique capability in content. And when we think about media organizations today, you have to think about an intangible, and that is the quality of the information they're presenting. Innovation in technology and product functions and features can deliver content very powerfully. It can do it over and over again and make it fresh, but it isn't going to make it relevant. And it isn't going to be recognizable as a high quality. And it isn't necessarily going to build brand in the same way. So innovation in media companies has to combine two important qualities. One is product and technical capability at a deep, deep level, but also this nature of brand and quality and relevance. In the end, thinking about media, thinking about the way that product innovation happens, technology innovation, along with content innovation, we have NPR, right? Summary. Open, not open. They believe in code. Create once, publish everywhere. They have an internal platform for the public media stations that they've opened up, and it has been an external platform where they're starting to serve other types of services out of, like Brad Flubacher and beyond. Hasn't created great market value, but that external platform has allowed them to do new deals. They have a whole full range of new products and services that are moving quite to the market all the time. They can pull talent to them. They can pull resources to them. New York Times. They're open but not open, probably less so than NPR. They also think about code. They have primarily an internal platform. Their external platform hasn't really mattered very much in a way that has created any market value for the company. They have a set of products that they put out, but not a set of services in the same way. They're kind of a mix of push and pull. And then there's AOL. They're closed, not totally closed. They have content synergy. That's great. They have an internal platform. They have internal services, and it's still a very traditional media model of pushing things out. So these, there are there are not only these three actors, right? There's the Facebooks and the YouTubes of the world. But these are three traditional media companies that are moving from the traditional broadcast sense out into this network world.